Automotive and Formula Drift photographer Larry Chen envisioned a drift car that resonates with those enthusiasts, focusing on what could be attainable within a manageable budget. Chen began conceptualizing this project, then brought the GR86 Daily Drifter to life in his home workshop. Starting with a 2022 GR86, a HKS GT2 Supercharger Pro ZD8 kit with an intercooler and a MagnaFlow NEO Series catback performance exhaust system, increasing output to 300 horsepower. To keep things cool and minimize weight, there is a CSF aluminum radiator, and other additions include HPS silicone hoses and an HKS Dry Carbon Fiber engine and fuse box covers to complete the under-the-hood package. The increased power required other enhancements to the GR86. Chen added a StopTech Big Brake kit up front and complementing brakes at the rear, Suspensions ST XTA Plus 3 coilovers, SPL Parts front and rear adjustable control arms, adjustable sway bar links, a GK steering angle kit and an OS Giken Super Lock 1.5-way differential. To ensure structural rigidity, he added a Toyota GR strut tower brace, door jamb braces and front fender support structure braces. The interior features safety additions such as a Sparco Evo QRT racing seat, a Sparco 6-point harness and a Studio RSR 4-point roll cage. Chen also added a Vivid Racing VR bespoke steering wheel and a Toyota GR short shifter kit to enhance driver control when rowing the GR86's 6-speed manual gearbox. Being a visual artist, creating a look that matched the performance was high on Chen's priority list. To give the GR86 Daily Drifter an appearance resembling the popular race cars in Formula Drift, Chen added a Sabon carbon fiber hood, an HKS Type S CD8F spoiler carbon fiber front splitter lip, an HKS Type S GR86 carbon fiber rear wing, HKS carbon fiber side skirts and an HKS Type S DD8R spoiler carbon fiber rear valance. A set of white Motegi Racing MR154 battle wheels shod with aggressive Yokohama Advan Niova AD09 tires, Type S LED underglow and interior lighting and a powerful livery designed by Gino at Waterworks, Agora Hills, California, round out the exterior appearance.